Hi, this video is going to look at replacing or repairing a puncture in your inner tube. So often these days we just throw inner tubes away, but environmentally that's not great, and it's not necessary because just a little puncture repair kit like this that costs £1 or whatever can actually keep your inner tube going for longer. So at the moment I'm filming this in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic, so a lot of us are going to be getting bikes out that we haven't used, ones that we can use on the road, so we're likely to find punctures. In your puncture repair kit you have a tube of vulcanising solution, a little piece of sandpaper so you can key the surface, which means the vulcanising solution reacts with the rubber and then sticks, and you also have patches and some instructions. It doesn't have, and would be really useful if it had, a pen or a pencil or a piece of chalk so you can mark where the hole is. So I'm going to make my pretend puncture. There we go. When you're trying to find a puncture, it's worth running the inner tube under your nose because your nose is far more sensitive than any other bit of your body. And that way you can find it. And equally, if you're taking the inner tube out of a wheel, leave the inner tube attached to the wheel by the valve, and then locate the hole, and then check that particular bit of tyre for whatever's caused the puncture. So I've just drawn a circle round there, so it shows where the hole is, and I'm now going to key that area, that whole area, so that the vulcanising solution will work. I'm saying vulcanising solution on purpose. It's not glue. It isn't sticky when it touches your fingers, so it's worth remembering. So, and there's my dog, Billy, or one of my dogs. So we're going to just put that on. All right, Bill. Put the solution on. And we'll leave that to set for a minute. I've put quite a generous amount on. We're going to use one of the small patches, but you need a generous amount so that all the areas of the orange will get stuck down. So you can see it's wet there. We now peel the little patch off the silver backing, and then you can see that you've got the orange side, blacks and orange side. The orange side goes down over there, and then you press it down, and what's going to happen is once that orange patch is stuck to the inner tube, you're then able to peel the top piece off. That's basically when that top piece comes off, that's when you know that it's set properly. So it really doesn't take very long. Even if you were out on a ride, you could happily replace or repair an inner tube while you're waiting, especially if it's warm. Obviously if it's cold or you're in a race, then you're not going to want to do it, but if it's a warm day, then that's no worries. Cool. So not quite ready yet, just have to keep really pushing it down. And then just peel it away like that. And that is your puncture repaired. So I'm just going to re-inflate that and check. And then just run that under my nose and it's fine.